Why were we born? Why are we here? Everybody asks the question, nobody gives an answer. Why are we here? Now we can't avoid the answer anymore. We have to give an answer. It's almost dangerous not to.
What's the purpose?
Oh, then you won't buy the book. The real answer is very simple. Where did I leave my hat? I didn't ask to be born because I don't need to be. Nobody ever complained that they weren't born because we don't need to be born. So it must be that the existence of the world and my birth and my existence and my being here is not from my need, it's that somebody needs me. What brings me to the Holy Land? It's the land of the Jews. What brings me? I'm here to promote a book called Lo Bikashti Lavo La'olam. So we're talking about it, we're sharing it, we're publicizing it. My meeting with the Israeli audience has been fantastic because there is more openness, more sensitivity to important ideas. And when they hear something they like, they go for it. I think the main relevant
Torah is
message
not
of Hasidut is getting to know the Creator. Who is God? What is God? What does He want? What does He need? Even people who learn Torah all their life, what do they know about the Creator? Hasidut introduces us to the Creator. When you find out that the Creator has a purpose, and He has a plan, and He has a ta'ava, well then I don't have to worry about me, I can worry about Him. And that's called Ivdu et Hashem. In some way, what God wants from us and religion are opposites. Religion means, how can I get to Gan Eden? So first of all, that's something I need. That's for me. Secondly, it doesn't happen until you die. So it has very little relevance to this world. So I'm only here to get out of here. How does that make sense? So when you ask, what does God want? You find out He doesn't want Gan Eden. And He is not religious. On the contrary, He wants to be in Olam Hazeh. He wants to come down. So why do you want to go up? It is a radical statement to say that God needs from us. But that's such a bad mistake. And religion did that. Religion drew the attention so much to what we need that we forgot about who created the world. God created the whole universe before I existed. So He didn't create it for me. If He creates the whole universe, doesn't that mean He wants something? If God wants something, doesn't it have to happen? So if He wants it, it has to be. So He needs it. How did we even think differently? I didn't create anything and I need. He created everything he needs. It's backwards. The Creator is the only one who needs. If you're looking for truth, you have to believe and you have to know that truth is everywhere all the time. If you have an idea of what truth is, but you can't do it today, or you can't do it here, or you can't do it the way you are, then it is not true. The truth is available now, here, the way you are. So, God wants His world to be a better world. What can you do to make God's world a better world? And there is something you can do. Right now, right here, the way you are. So, not if you become religious, not if you become a Talmud Chacham, not if you become spiritual, not if you move to another country, not if you get married or get divorced or grow up. No conditions. Whatever you are is exactly what God needs, because what you have may not be enough for you, but it's enough for Him. call somebody, give some tzedakah, encourage somebody, do a mitzvah, any mitzvah. Just make sure that the day doesn't go by and you didn't make the world better.